Hi, I am Shasker BB Dianapra from BSC 2-9, and today I'm going to discuss how did I answer the activity 2 for secondary classification. So welcome to my explanation video. So we shall remember for secondary classifications the patterns radial loop, plane arc, and tented arc, which has symbols of rad, because we would look for these patterns in the given sets, because these patterns are the only patterns that we would write the symbols of for. However, it has an exemption, which is the index finger. So whatever the pattern that is written in the index finger, we would write its symbol. And it should be written in capital letter, unlike the symbol for rat, which is written in small letters. So let's try answering this activity number 2, number 1. So we are given a set of symbols: slash for radial loop, C for central pocket loop, T for double loop pearl, X for accidental loop pearl, T for tented arc, W for plain whirl, A for plain arc, uh, slash for radial loop, C for central pocket loop, and slash for radial loop. So in getting the secondary classification, we should first look for the index finger of both right and left index finger. So for the right index finger, we had a central pocket loop where letter C, as I've said, whatever pattern it is, even though it is not included in the rat, it would be placed there, and then it should be in capital letter. So for right, it is C, and for left, it is A. We should note that it should be aligned, horizontally aligned, and then we would proceed to get the symbols for other patterns. So for finger 1, radial loop, it is included in our rat, so it should have a symbol there. So it is letter R in small letter. Next, double loop pearl, it is not included in our rat, so it should be dash. Accidental loop pearl, it is not included, so it should be dash. And tented arc, it is included in our rat, so it would be placed there with a symbol of T in small letter. So now we would go for the left fingers. So plain whirl, since it is not included in rat, we should leave it in blank because it is start of the symbols. So should not write the dash finger, but I would not write anything. Next is the radial loop. It is included, so it has letter R in small letter. And center pocket loop whirl, it is not included, so it should be in dash. And radial loop, again, it is included. So the answer is S equals to R in small letter, C in big letter, a dash dash, T in small letter, over A in capital letter, R in small letter, dash, and R in small letter. So next for number 2. Okay, so again, we're given a set of symbols. So slash for radial loop, A for plain arc, D for double loop whirl, X for accidental loop whirl, T for tented arc, W for plain whirl, A for plain arc, dash for radial loop, T for tented arc, and then dash for radial loop. So we should look for the index finger of right hand. So plain arc, it is A, so we should write A, and then we would have the left, which is A2, so it is again aligned horizontally, and then we proceed to get the the symbols for finger 1. Radial loop, it is included in rat, so we would write R in small letter. Double loop pearl, it is not included, so we would put dash. Accidental loop pearl, it is not included in rat, so we would put dash. And then tented arc, it is included in rat, so we would write the letter T in small letter. So for the left fingers, we would have plain whirl, it is not included in rat, so it should be leaved in blank. And then radial loop, it is included, so we would write R in small letter, tented arc, T small letter, and then radial loop, R for small letter. So the answer would be S is equals to small letter R, capital letter A, dash dash, small letter T, over capital A, small r, small t, and small r. That's it. Thanks for watching.